Hey, what's up, SafeMoon holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. You will be feed after watching this video. You will be feed very happy, very happy. You will be feed. So keep watch this video for more details. And my friends. First of all, I request everyone, my brothers, please click the subscribe button and also like this video, my friends. If you subscribe my channel, so you will get the latest update about SafeMoon. The currently latest price of the SafeMoon is negative. Last 1 hour pricing is negative. Last 1 day pricing is negative. Completely fast down occur in the SafeMoon. And the previous change occur in the SafeMoon is positive 3.27%, my friends. So you know what the good news is for all of you is that now at this time the SafeMoon start pumping. Gradually start pumping, and my prediction is going positive about SafeMoon. That's why you will be feel very happy. Absolutely, that's a good news for all SafeMoon holders that the price of SafeMoon start jumping. And now at this time that is just the beginning. I hope that SafeMoon will take a huge pump in the next few hours. In the coming soon few hours, the SafeMoon will take a huge pump. So absolutely, that's good news. And tell me in the comment box, how do you feel today about SafeMoon? Tell me in the comment box. My friends, at this time the price change occurred in the SafeMoon is negative 1.96%. I know this time the price change is negative, but my friends, with the passage of time, after 1-2 days, the price of the SafeMoon will become positive. Believe me, my friends, that the price of SafeMoon will become positive, my friends, and absolutely you will get the latest and good profit from the SafeMoon in the last 2-3 days, my friends. Only in the last 2-3 days you will get a high amount of profit from the SafeMoon, because that is a quick shop, and quick shop is continue for 2-3 days, my friends. In 2-3 days you will get profit, especially for short-term investor. Now this time the price of SafeMoon is very low. Please buy more and more SafeMoon token. Absolutely, if you buy more and more, so you will get a high amount of profit from a SafeMoon. Anyways, how do you feel today about SafeMoon? Please tell me in the comment box. Personally, I'm feeling very good about SafeMoon. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.